This is an easy side hustle that even a 13-year-old can do. And the best part is, it's free to set up and it'll create you passive income. Have a look at this.
First, you want to go to Pinterest.com and create a business account. Once you've created your free account, you want to click on ads and create campaign. Next, go ahead and find interests and keywords. Now in the search section, search any product you want. I'm going to do t-shirts. Next, look at the options that pop up and choose one that has a high monthly search. And then head over to Canva and make a simple design. Next, go over to printful.com and create a free account. Look for a t-shirt in the catalog and put your design on it. Next, head over to Etsy and create a free account. Now in the Printful settings, connect your Etsy store.
Now every time someone places an order, Etsy will send that order to Printful. Printful will then fulfill that order and send that product out to your customer without you having to do anything.
All you have to do is create a simple listing like this. If we multiply the number of sales by the price, this person has made more than $5 million just from selling t-shirts.
And like I said, this will be automated and have you earning passive income. If you want to learn my favorite side hustle, hit the follow button and comment ebook below.